In the ever-evolving world of photography and videography, have you ever wondered what it would be like to step into the captivating realm of 360-degree cameras? In the realm of photography and videography, the evolution of technology continually pushes the boundaries of creativity and immersion. Among the most intriguing developments in recent years are 360-degree cameras, which have opened up a whole new dimension of storytelling. These devices allow users to capture not just a scene but an entire environment, offering viewers the sensation of being right in the midst of the action. As we embark on the year 2023, the demand for top-tier 360-degree cameras has surged, driven by a growing appetite for immersive content. We'll embark on a journey through the landscape of 360-degree cameras, exploring some of the finest options available today. Additionally, we'll unveil the highly anticipated GoPro Max 2, a camera that promises to elevate the art of panoramic capture to new heights. So, fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the world of 360-degree imaging, where every angle tells a story, and every frame is a portal to adventure. The evolution of 360-degree cameras, from 19th century patents to modern marvels. The story of 360-degree cameras unfolds like a captivating journey through time, spanning from the 19th century to the cutting-edge technology of today. It all began in the 1840s when Joseph Puchberger envisioned a panoramic camera, filing the first patent for this groundbreaking concept in 1843. However, the technology of that era struggled to turn this vision into reality. A major breakthrough arrived in 1898 when the Alvista emerged in America as the first mass-produced 360 panoramic camera. This marked a crucial milestone, making panoramic photography more accessible to a broader audience. Fast forward to 2015, and Ricoh ushered in a revolution with the Ricoh Theta M15, an all-in-one 360 camera. This innovation democratized 360-degree photography, making it not only accessible but also affordable for enthusiasts and creatives alike. It was the beginning of a new era in immersive content creation. Now, as we enter the 21st century, the evolution of 360-degree cameras shows no signs of slowing down. Advancements in sensor technology and image processing hold the promise of capturing sharper, more detailed 360-degree photos and videos. Enhanced frame rates ensure that playback is smoother than ever, perfectly suited for documenting fast-paced action. Additionally, technology is working to reduce file sizes without compromising quality, simplifying the storage and sharing of immersive content. Improved low-light performance opens up new horizons, enabling photographers and videographers to capture stunning 360-degree visuals even in challenging lighting conditions. Moreover, as these cameras become increasingly interconnected, robust cybersecurity measures are essential to safeguard valuable content in this digital age. The journey of 360-degree cameras is a testament to human innovation, offering exciting prospects for the future of immersive imaging, where every angle becomes a portal to new experiences. Top 360-degree cameras of 2023. In the ever-evolving realm of photography and videography, the year 2023 has heralded the arrival of a remarkable array of 360-degree cameras, each poised to redefine the art of immersive content creation. The dynamic world of 360-degree photography and videography offers a compelling lineup of cameras designed to capture immersive, panoramic content. Among the best options available are the Insta360 X3, a standout choice renowned for its innovative software and features, excellent image quality, and durability. What sets it apart is its robust build, designed to thrive in various challenging shooting environments, making it a dependable choice for both adventure enthusiasts and content creators. The GoPro Max continues to impress with its intuitive features, outstanding image, and video quality, making it a top contender. This device continues to impress with its user-friendly interface and unwavering commitment to delivering exceptional image and video quality, firmly securing its position as a frontrunner in the 360-degree camera market. For those seeking versatility, the Insta360 One RS offers various shooting modes and high-resolution output in a compact package. The Ricoh Theta X stands out with its high resolution and impressive image quality. while the Insta361 RS 1-inch 360 edition wows users with its large sensor and excellent low-light performance. Lastly, the Trizio Lite 2 presents an affordable option for enthusiasts, with a user-friendly app and decent image quality. These cameras cater to diverse needs, ensuring that you can capture and share your immersive experiences effortlessly in 2023. GoPro Max 2 unveiled. Anticipated features and updates. The excitement in the tech world has reached a fever pitch with the confirmation from GoPro's CEO, Nick Woodman, about the development of the highly anticipated GoPro Max 2. While the official release date remains shrouded in secrecy, tantalizing details have begun to surface, giving enthusiasts and creators much to anticipate. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Max 2 is its expected use of a half-inch sensor, a significant leap forward in sensor technology. This enhancement promises to deliver stunning visual experiences, with the ability to capture 5.6K video resolution at a variety of frame rates in 360 mode, providing users with unparalleled clarity and immersive content creation possibilities. Not stopping there, the Max 2 aims to redefine action photography, offering 4K video at an impressive 100 frames per second in hero mode, perfect for capturing fast-paced adventures with unparalleled smoothness. For photography aficionados, the Max 2 promises a range of improvements, including auto HDR and RAW support. These enhancements will undoubtedly elevate the camera's image quality, providing sharper, more vibrant, and true-to-life visuals. In a digital age where content security is paramount, the Max 2 might also introduce advanced features focused on strengthened cybersecurity. This crucial addition ensures that your valuable content remains protected in an era where data privacy is paramount. While the official release date remains a mystery, one thing is certain: the GoPro Max 2 is poised to be one of the most eagerly awaited additions to the GoPro lineup in 2023. Stay tuned for further updates on this groundbreaking camera, as it promises to set new standards in the world of immersive content creation. The future of action cameras looks remarkably exciting with the Max 2 on the horizon. The imminent arrival of the GoPro Max 2 signifies a significant turning point in the realm of 360-degree cameras. Its advanced features and promising specifications have created a buzz of anticipation, promising to redefine the very essence of immersive content creation. As the curtain rises on the official release in 2023, we stand on the brink of a new era, one filled with high-quality, action-packed 360-degree photography and videography that will set new standards. Whether you're a daredevil adventurer seeking to capture heart-pounding moments, a creative soul ready to craft immersive stories, or simply an enthusiast of cutting-edge technology, the Max 2 promises to deliver an unparalleled experience. The journey into the future of panoramic imaging is upon us, and the GoPro Max 2 is leading the way. As GoPro charts the course for the future of panoramic imaging with the Max 2, consider this. How do you envision the transformative power of immersive content shaping our experiences and storytelling in the years to come? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Watch our other video on DJI Unveils Osmo Action 4, the GoPro Killer, and we will see you soon.